Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382, and today we have a 2019 Ford Ranger XLT dual cab. This shape ran from 6 months 2011 to current. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder bi-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder bi-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. This vehicle has sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy wheels. Front left appears to have a good tyre. We have the left front power door mirror. We have the left front door trim. Left rear door appears to have no damage. The left rear door trim. Left rear factory 18-inch alloy wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left rear taillight in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with reverse parking sensor. Rear bar is tidy. Have the XLT tailgate, appears to have no damage. Right hand taillight, tidy, appears to have no damage. Right hand rear, factory 18-inch alloy wheel with good tyre. Right rear door, appears to have no damage. Right hand rear door trim, tidy. We have the right hand front door, appears to have no damage. The right hand front door trim, tidy condition. We have the driver's master switch in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth seats, tidy condition. A black vinyl console lid. This vehicle is an automatic transmission console. Factory climate control, single stack CD player. Factory display cluster. Interior rear view mirror. Has factory instrument cluster. Center courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor with mirror and lights. Right front sun visor with mirror and lights. This vehicle has a black vinyl steering wheel, tidy condition, with cruise control and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.